Hi, I'm Sue, and I'm gonna introduce to you our abstract for our own project today, which is Nano Enhanced Electrolytes. So, first question, do you know what is electrolytes? Alright, so actually electrolyte is basically a mineral that carries an electric charge, and it actually provides a few functions, including muscle contractions and hydration. Right, so as if you know, there's a lot of electrolyte drinks that currently exists in the market now, but it's not suitable for an athlete. Do you know why? Alright, so actually electrolyte drinks is not suitable for the athlete now. It's because it does not provide an efficient hydration. Okay, so now it's going to our project time. We believe that by using nanotechnology, nano-enhanced electrolytes will demonstrate greater ion absorptions and greater stability than the conventional electrolytes. Right, so now I'll be very fast through our study plans and my friend later on will explain to you. Alright, so there will be two formulas that created. One is the traditional one, which is consists of basic minerals, but then by using nanotechnology, there will be three solutions provided, which is nano encapsulation, nano emulsions, and also the additional one, nano vitamins. Right, so there will be 5 key of experiment in our project. 5 key. Alright, so the first one, ion absorption stimulation, and the second one, stability testing. The third one, control release. The fourth one, evaluation, and finally the fifth one, which is safety and nanomaterial characterizations. Right, so the experiment will be until now, and my friends will explain to you.
Hello, thanks to Sultan for the explanation of the extract of our innovation just now. So, my name is Zulhilmi, and I will tell you guys about the problem statement and the hypothesis for our innovation today. So, our problem statement is, the current electrolyte or the conventional electrolyte that we have right now is not suitable for athletes and active individuals as it does not provide an efficient amount of hydration for them. And our hypothesis for this innovation is nano-enhanced electrolyte, meaning an electrolyte that is enhanced with nanotechnology will demonstrate greater ion absorption and greater stability than the conventional electrolyte or the current electrolyte that we have right now.
Hi, I'm Ahmad Zikir and I'm going to be explaining our methodology for our project. As you can see, there are two main factors inside of our methodology, that is electrolyte formulation and key experiments. Inside of our electrolytes formulation, there are two versions of electrolytes that will be created, that is traditional electrolytes and nano-enhanced electrolytes. The creation of traditional electrolytes are going to be by using sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. While for nano-enhanced electrolytes, there are three ways, such as nano-encapsulation, nano-emulsion, and nano-vitamins. For nano-encapsulation, we are going to wrap these electrolytes using safe food materials like chitosan to control how they are released in our bodies. While nano-emulsion, we are going to make these minerals more soluble. That means these electrolytes are going to be absorbed faster inside of our bodies. And next is nanovitamins. We're going to add vitamins in tiny stable forms. So when we are consuming these nano-encapsulated electrolytes, we are not only getting energy from it, but also vitamins such as C and B. Now for our key experiments. The first experiment is the absorption test. We are going to simulate stomach and intestine to see how are these electrolytes being released and also absorbed by our body. Next is stability test. We are going to store samples of these nano-encapsulated electrolytes in cold, hot, and room temperature, and I'm going to check the pH and minerals after 4 weeks. And lastly is our controlled release test. We are going to use membrane methods to see how slowly these electrolytes will come out from the capsules and be absorbed in our bodies for usage. That's all from me from now. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Arif and today I will talk about the expected results and the future planning of our project. First of all, we predict that the nano-enhanced electrolytes will show faster and more consistent ion absorption as the particle sizes had been reduced to the nanometer scale of 1 to 100 nanometer, which means the particle sizes are now a lot smaller than normal. Next, the controlled release will also allow longer hydration periods without rapid excretion. We are also able to improve thermal and storage stability of minerals and optional nutrients. Lastly, the formulation will remain safe and digestible. It is safe to use because the formulation and the nanotechnology used are based on food grade. Next, the future planning. First of all, produce the nano-enhanced electrolytes for commercial use. Because the nano-enhanced electrolytes can help in terms of hydration and also the energy to carry out daily activities. Next, reduce the amount of usage of conventional electrolytes. Last but not least, add vitamins and minerals into the nano-encapsulated electrolytes. There are many vitamins that can be added in the nano-encapsulated electrolytes, such as vitamin B and vitamin C. That is all from me. Thank you.
Hi, it's me again, and I'm going to be explaining our appendix for our project. As you can see above me, this is our sketch for our nano-enhanced electrolytes in the front of a capsule, hence from our methodology, nano-encapsulation. Okay, as you can see with your naked eye, there is no major difference in its shape or its design, but the main factor is the size of this capsule is for 15 millimeters to 4 millimeters. They are way smaller than our traditional pills and capsules that we have in the current market. And why do we want to make it small? Because sometimes people don't want to eat capsules that are very big. Because the bigger the capsule, the higher the fear of people eating it. So when it's small, it will also make it easier to consume. And in this small capsule, there will be a lot of electrolyte. Because why? The particle size of these electrodes have been reduced using nanotechnology. So even though the size is way smaller than our traditional capsule, but the contents of electrodes inside of it will be a lot and be more efficient for us to eat. That's all for me. Thank you.